show me what you got.
Alright.
Hey guys, Patrick Tipton here, owner of Portrayal Media. And I'm Oliver Tipton, Patrick Tipton's son. We are restoring a 1943 Willys MB first class restoration, 10 days. Only 10 days. Welcome to 10 days. See you.
Alright, go ahead. Go ahead. Yep. Hold on, you gotta really pull that in.
Not straight. There we go.
There you go. Now go. Hold on real quick. Pop. Nope. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to get a bigger pry bar. I don't know what they put this on with, but I mean
that's like a stupid amount of force.
it is. So we're gonna have to put this thing on the ground. Let me get another pipe. I put it right over there somewhere.
Where?
Just right there. Wherever. I think you can use this one and I'll use that one.
I mean, that really was.
See if it comes out. I mean,
No, I don't think it's close.
well,
I gotta do it again.
go ahead.
I mean,
I think the impact will take it off now.
yeah.
We have an impact gun. It's pretty strong. It wouldn't take that off. You can take it. With your lifting well. Oh. Yeah, so you can put this, you can put the oil pan back on it.
Just have to heat the rivet up. We need to clamp this thing tight. Let's try it that way and see if we can.
So we're just going to heat up the very end of this thing right here, and we'll get it not quite cherry red, but we'll get it pretty warm. And steering components, actually, some of them, these are not. A lot of steering components are hardened, so you don't want to heat them. You can change the temper of them if you get them too warm. But this is not. This is all mild steel, so I'm gonna be a little more aggressive with that. So not smoke us out.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna hang out for a bit. See where it's kind of
Right here.
Oh, right.
That's one. We'll do
Okay.
with whatever we got.
Alright.
It's not bad, but it's not perfect. Okay. The problem, so that was one where you'd love to use a repro, but the repros, I know several people have had them break, and that's not something I'd rather have
yeah, no.
I'd rather have it, the steering wheel start